The latest Russian news: Russia's newest proprietary air-to-air missile SSD aircraft system, the S-500 Prometey will start testing soon in the near future. The latest Russian missile will be a major update for the SAM S-400 missile control system that has been previously used. This was conveyed by the body of consideration of the Russian Military Industrial Commission, Viktor Murakhovsky. The latest Russian military missile, the S-500, has characteristics that will defeat the rest of the world, that is, face-to-face with air guns, as well as ballistic missiles including intercontinental missiles, Murakhovsky said. In addition, the current Russian military missile system will also provide space defenses for Russia, because it can block targets near space, with an altitude of 200 kilometers, or 124 miles. The latest Russian SAM missile S-500 Prometey was designed by Almaz-Antey, a state-owned Russian defense equipment company. The distance mentioned can reach 600 kilometers away, 370 miles. The Russian S-500 missile sophistication, among others, is nimble, and can intercept 10 enemy ballistic missiles simultaneously, at speeds of 5 kilometers per second.